Hello, good evening everyone. Hello, I'm audible.
Yes, you are.
Okay, thank you for the confirmation. Yeah, good evening. Good evening everyone. So yeah, we will be starting in a minute. So yeah, good evening. My name is Swarnadeep. I'm the Google Cloud Arcade Facilitator 2024. So and the other facilitator is Prerna Paul. She is from Mumbai, Maharashtra, and I'm from Siliguri, West Bengal. So yeah, let's start about Google Cloud. So I guess most of you have heard the term at least about like Google Arcade Cloud Facilitators. It is a popular program that has been, I guess, running for like last 3 to 4 years. It has been running back to back. So yeah, this year also stands the same like the previous year. So you can, so yeah, this okay. So the contents of the program, Google Cloud uh, contains. First of all, what is Google Cloud? If you want to consider Google Cloud a technology, it is one of the most used cloud platform available in the world, as you know, like AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure. These three are the big three tech giants, and they are great products. So, so to cover the main purpose of the Google Cloud Arcade Facilitators program is to aware and teach students about cloud technologies, like what are they, how they can be used in artificial intelligence, machine learning, or web hosting. Like as you see, all the platforms, all the websites, all are being hosted at the end of the cloud. Recently, what happened with Microsoft outrage, everyone saw it not only affected Microsoft system, but also Google Cloud hosts Microsoft operating system, AWS host Microsoft operating system. So all of them crashed. Every system almost crashed over the airlines, including hospitals and everything that were based on the Windows Server system crashed. Even Nasdaq, that is US stock market, that has even crashed. But Indian stock market did not crash because they rely on Linux server that is hosted on AWS. So they didn't crash. But most of the Microsoft services crashed because they use Microsoft server as a base, not as Linux. Okay. So what are the contents of like Google Cloud Arcade? So there mainly stands three. First comes the Google Cloud Arcade games. Then come Google Cloud Skill Batches. Then comes Google Cloud Arcade Trivia. So these are the three main contents. As you can see in the next slide, you will be getting to see there are different arcade games, level 1, level 2, level 3, and base camp. And other they will be coming to, but these four are constant that you will be getting both of the months, like in both in August tenure and in September tenure. And as you know, the tenure is from like 22nd July to 22nd of September. So like within 2 months there will be eight. arcade games for sure. Then the trivia is also the fixed. Week one will be released in week one. Week two will be released in week two. Week three in week three, and week four in week four by the name, as you can understand. So these are the skill badges. You can learn different of skill badges. We'll be getting into it. And here comes the point system. Here is the most one of the most important parts or thing. So here comes the point system. And what is particularly point system? So as I already mentioned over here, that you will be getting arcade badges over here. So each badge contain 1 points. So let's suppose you have done 8 arcade games, so you will be getting 8 points. And let's suppose you have completed 6 trivia games, you will be getting 6 points. That totals of 14. And let's suppose, and for skill badges, for every 2 badges, you will be getting 1 point for sure. That means let's suppose you have done 20 badges, 8 and 6 uh, badges. Okay, and here like trivia games or not badges, trivia games or arcade games. So 8 plus 4 that comes 8 plus 6 it comes 14, and 14 for 20 divided by 2 it's 10. Okay, one more thing to notice that the skill badges points are always calculated in even numbers. So let's suppose you have completed 2, you will be getting 1. But even if you complete 3, you will be getting 1 point. But as you whenever you hit 4, you will be getting 2 points. So it is always calculated in even points, not in odd points. Odd point is not applicable here. Okay. After this, see, one more important thing to notice and one more interesting thing to notice. For arcade badges, there is one special, since this is Google Cloud's not normal program, it is Arcade Facilitators program. So whenever you complete 2 arcade games and 2 trivia and 8 skill badges, that means 2 points here, here 2, and let's suppose here 8 that is divided by 2, that's come 4, that is 2 plus 2 plus 4, that comes 8. Whenever you completed these milestones, you will be getting 2 bonus point that you can use during the price counter, and that is very very important. Okay, let's suppose you have touched the highest, that is 6 arcade games that you have, let's suppose, done here 6 arcade games, level 1, level 2, level 3, and both, and same for the September, then that is 6, 3 plus 3 6. You have done this and you have completed 8 trivia games, that is 4 of the weeks, and that 4 of the weeks, that is 8 done. And out of this skill badges list will be giving out the arcade games, everything we will be sharing the link, access code, everything we will be sharing about referral code, everything that you don't be tensed up. Okay, so here is it is 6 and here it is 8, that comes 14, and 14 plus 42, 42 divided by 2, that's some 21. So 14 plus 21 is 35. Whenever you touch 35, you will be getting 25 point bonus. Think of 25 bonus point. Like you have earned 35 points, you will be getting, at last it will be not reflected first when the price control will be opening. Before 1 or 2 days, it will be showing that you have got 24 point extra. So 35 plus 25, it is 60. Instead of only 35 points, you will be getting 60 points in total. Okay, so this is the main advantage. And as you know, referral code you have to fill it up. And here comes the various official website. There are 2 official website. First is the arcade website. This is very very important. This is one of the most important website. And the second is the RSVP. This website is only needed for the registration purposes. That we will be deep diving into after this part. Okay, this is the arcade's website. You will be getting everything. It is newly launched. You will be getting all the badges, all the scale boost, like all the trivia games. You will be getting all the list over here, link over here, and also we will be sharing it in the group also. Also, you can once visit the this is the old website. Like if you have do not have much more idea about, you can also visit this old site. This site is now discontinued, and we'll be further shifting into this site as per Google Arcade Facilitator's code team. So you can see everything, the points and everything, the swags. You can also see the badges over here. See, January, February, March, April, everything. I will be sharing it in the Google Meet also if you want to visit it once. Okay, yes, what's the question? I've done my registration, my verify email is email. What should I do? I didn't get that. Yes, could you just open your microphone and ask the question? It would be better.
सर मैंने रजिस्ट्रेशन किया है लेकिन वो नेटवर्क इशू की वजह से वेरीफाई नहीं हुआ।
वेरीफाई मतलब कैसा वेरीफाई?
वो लास्ट में वेरीफाई का ऑप्शन था ना।
ओके ओके, जब मैं करूँगा तुम एक बार देख लेना, अगर तुम्हारा वैसे हो गया तो हो गया, अगर नहीं हुआ तो मेरे को एक बार पूछ लेना, फिर तुम मैं तुमको बता दूंगा कौन सा पार्ट बोल रहे हो, या बोल देना कौन सा नहीं है, तब मैं बता दूंगा क्या करना है, ठीक है? मैं प्रोसेस दिखाऊंगा जब
ओके
तो
सर।
बोल, ठीक ठीक है।
ओके।
Okay, so now let's move to registration. So you can see Google Arcade Cloud Facilitators 2024. You can see it. हाँ रिद्धि, गुडीज तो मिलेगा, पक्का मिलेगा, उसका भी आएगा सब। आफ्टर ऑल सब थोड़ा बहुत गुडीज के पीछे ही भाग रहा है, ये सबको पता है। ऑफिशियली कोई नहीं बोल रहा है, पर अनऑफिशियली सबको सब पता है। ठीक है, ठीक है। चलो, हाँ यहाँ पर तुमको बैजेस दिख जाएगा, ठीक है। इस साइड पर भी तुमको मिल जाएगा पॉइंट सिस्टम, अगर तुम यहाँ से भी देख सकते हो तुमको। या एक दो, इसमें एक पॉइंट मिलेगा, इसमें दो मिलेगा, ठीक है। और ये सब जो ऑलरेडी यहाँ पर है, वही वही सब इसमें है, वो सिर्फ समरी है। Okay, Rimi, that's a question like how many credits will be provided? You will be provided monthly subscription in case of arcade. Just like if you participate earlier in arcade, especially you get to know, or study jam or AI Gen facilitators program, they are giving monthly subscription in that case. You don't have any limitations. They will be providing completely free of cost 2 months monthly subscription, and you will be getting it for sure after the. Okay. Vishal, I have three quick accounts. Yeah, Vishal, to be honest, I suggest to create a new account because there are like various reasons. First reason, it won't be messing up your account, and second is like let's suppose there is a compulsory skill badges for a particular lab, and you have already completed it, and now when you are trying to do, it won't be showing that you are completed. I have seen such students in the earlier cases, and it has been a problem. So I always suggest to create a new account for arcade, especially for Google Arcade or Strategium. I particularly and always like but it is better to use monthly subscription that we receive. That would be better. I strongly suggest Vishal to create a new account. Okay. After that, okay, I was doing point system. You can see all the milestones. You can also read the FAQs, and you can just browse into the FAQs and everything out. Syllabus we will be as I already mentioned, level one, level two, level three, RK, like base camp, week one, week two, everything you will be getting in this paper. I have made this PPT for you only. You can get it up. No issue. Okay. So okay, now come to the enrollment part. Okay. For enrollment part, there are one to prerequisite things that we need to create an account first. Okay. Let's do a thing. Let's set up a new Google account. I will be just doing from the scratch. Personal use, SSP Cloud. Is my screen visible that I am creating a Google account? Is it visible?
No, it's not visible.
Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. I was limited to I was limited to window. I should uh, entire screen. That would be better. Yeah. Is it visible now?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Let's move. Just basic anything any data. And like if you are having your own personal account which you haven't used for arcade or any of the programs are there, you could use that. I that also I recommend. No issue on that. Okay.
Can I add one point? As you have used that for earlier one, right? So have you done any of the lab? If there you have used any for any of the lab, that lab will be not counted for this time.
Yeah. That is one of the main point also. Like it collides. Google counts a lab only once, not twice. That would be creating problem with trying to like complete a particular batch or something like that. Okay, Ratnajit, you will be getting 2 months monthly subscription. Okay, just a minute. Like I have my previous year mail of Arcade. I guess so. Okay.
The website is only for the reference purpose, and it is for like link for the form. And if you have filled it once, you don't have to fill it again.
Yeah, if you have filled it up, well and good. No issue with that. Okay. So this is the mail that I received last year. This is of 23. You can see 9 July 2023. So the same you will be seeing. Get 2 months monthly pass Google Screen Boost. Yeah, you will be getting open and basic things. We will be also creating on whenever the first emails rolls out, we will be just creating a video and tutoring like how to remedy. If anybody has any problem, just mention it in the group. We will be surely for sure solving it up. Like it is, see, you can totally see the 2 months monthly subscription you will be getting, and also like if you want to verify, like also you can see your own arcade redemption history. Okay. If we just go to here, see, yeah, see, on 9 July, I have got the mail, as you can see. Also, 9 July redeemed monthly subscription. Yeah, you might be having a question that it is 1 month monthly subscription, but it is valid for 2 months. You can see the expiry date is 9th September, not 9th August. It is showing 1 month subscription, but it is giving 2 months. Also like what during Gen I completed say 1 month subscription, so it is well and good giving subscriptions, and you will be getting 2 months for sure. And this is the last year mail. You can read it out. Even I will be sharing the mail if you want. No issue. Okay. Now let's get back to you. Okay, we will be creating a simple Google account.
So this all we are doing for goodies, as we all know that. But if we are really into learning about that, So you can read all the lab things and then do the lab if you're purposely focusing on studying purpose. We will take all the queries at the end of the session. Like first, we will see how to fill the form, and then all of you can ask your questions.
Okay, so I have almost created my email ID. You can see. Okay, just click I'm in. Yeah. Once you go away, I will just mention it out as SSP cloud. Along with- Okay. Now comes the important step. Just write here quick labs, and the spelling is QW, not QU. It's QW. Okay. Just go to Cloud Skill Post. Click on Join. Continue and SSP. So you can click. It will be then auto verifying it. Okay. It is loading. Since it is the first time, it will be obviously showing that you accept the terms and conditions. Click on I am not in robot. Click on next. See, welcome SSP. Okay, so your work does not end. You should go here and go to profile. You can see your email ID and it's zero query. And go to profile. See, you will be getting an option over here that is your profile is not public and accessible. Okay, so now click on this option that is make profile public. Just go and click on make profile public. You will be getting a link over here, an address and web address. So you can copy it and paste it in any browser. Like maybe I go to tab and paste it. So you can see the public profile. You can totally see the public profile that it is visible. Let's suppose you have completed badges. In that case, you can see it over here. Let's suppose just go to my Let's public profile and just copy it out and paste it over this browser. This account is not related to this totally. So, okay, got it. Just paste any browser, any. Even even you can show it, like visit it, not a big deal. Okay, see, like you can see the things I have got the badges and everything. You can see. Not only the person when you are like suppose let's suppose when you are applying for any cloud internship or anything, you can also showcase in that case that yeah I have done these badges, and these badges are also like individually also you can share it. Like whenever you copy this and click, you will be seeing that Swarnadeep has earned this award. Like you can also mention in certification, like certification part of your LinkedIn, you can also upload this. It will be showing verified badge in that case. That would also be a plus. According to my case, even if you visit my LinkedIn, you will be getting some of the badges already added with it. Okay, so we have copied this and okay, now let's copy this website and paste over here. And since we are filling the form from this account, we will be just signing in as usual. Click on enroll in the program here. Click enroll. It will be auto saving it. Okay. Now paste your email ID. Here is the most, like, one of the most important. Make sure to paste your public profile's email ID over here only. Don't paste one email ID here and another email ID is public profile over there. That would be creating a problem and you will be not receiving the email. So just make sure this doesn't matter. To be honest, this does not matter. Like if you have multiple accounts, it would be showing the by default account. Since this is only one account I'm having, it would be showing. Mostly it is showing the same. This account only. Okay, just paste the email ID ssc for cloud at the rate to gmail.com. Click on next. Okay. Uh, Click on terms and conditions. That is next. Click it up. Okay. Fill a few details and confirm your email address. Double it will be asking that so that anybody don't skip or anything like that. Let's type my name over here. Gender, it's male. Country, India. It's student. Okay. Facilitators referral code. You may be copying it from our group, our videos, our YouTube description box, our WhatsApp group, everywhere you will be getting the referral code. Also, I have mentioned it in the PPT part. Okay, so just copy this particular code and paste it over here. GCAF, it stands for Google Cloud Arcade Facilitators 24, and hyphen in does refer it is of India. And this is the alphanumeric code that is generated by Google Arcade teams to understand that is of their use or something. By that you will be understanding. Also, when you sign up through our referral code, we will be tracking your progress. We'll be getting everyday report like what you have completed, what you have not. We'll be helping it on that basis also. Click on 26 since I will be graduating. You you will be getting option over yes, I have already completed. Yes, I have done an account and also completed because I always prefer again click on yes, I have an account and don't select it I have an badges. I mostly prefer if it is new, go for it. And if you have like completed one or two badges, that in that case you could join us. Like in this case, yes, I have already an account, new account actually. Click on next. So here you will be asked to type your GCSB profile. Actually, it stands for Google Cloud Skill Badges Profile URL. Also, you can see here this is what stands Google Cloud Skill Badges GCSB badge profile. You just copy the link over here, and to my suggestion, just copy it over here. Open it in any incognito tab. Just see whether your members or name is visible or not. Make sure to do it because like if you have missed any word, added any extra space or anything you have copied more, then it would be eliminated. Until you see your name, don't paste it away. I strongly suggest just your answer, paste it over here. You can see also you can like I have also uploaded a video like how to create skill push badges account, developing the form, everything of the point system. I've showed everything, the presentation, everything you will be getting in the group and YouTube also. Okay, click on next. Okay, okay. Some internet issue, I guess. The form is autofilled. Just let me check it. Just check it once more. Sometimes it happens actually. Like a huge amount of applicants of they are visiting the server, so it is a security system by cloud DNS. Whenever a certain amount reaches, it re-verifies such that any DDoS attack or any bot attack is not being happening. It happens. Click on next and click on acknowledge, and everything. You will be just seeing what happens when you submit. You will be receiving an email within 20 to 48 hours. that email like of 2 months subscription will email and verification everything will be sent out. Click on submit. Okay, just if possible, just take a screenshot over it. I guess not needed, but then also let's open up Gmail for a while. You will be just getting to see that your form. This is not a confirmation email. This is the just like your copy of responses has been sent to you. That you can also do like if you have used Google Form, you know this is the very best place. Yeah. So like this is the process. After this, there is three most important parts. First, your email ID. Next is your skill boost account, and skill boost account and your email ID should match for sure. That is very very important. And then comes the referral code that you will be getting everywhere. No doubt in that. If you can't find, just drop a text. We will be sharing it up this. Okay. So yeah, everything is done. You can enjoy. And like if you want to take a glimpse like what like how the lab works, I can show it up also in that case. Um, Let me open a quick lab for you. Uh, Just like let's take me.
I'm passionate about both technology and education. Before joining,
So like this is how a lab look like. It will be like say it would be costing 5 credits, but when you have monthly subscription, you have unlimited access. So you does not have to like worry about how many credits I use or anything like that. It is totally unlimited. Just like your home's broadband internet, it is totally unlimited. Okay. So no issue in that whether my subscription will be ended or not. So that for that reason only Google gives you this opportunity. Okay. So like you can start the lab, you'll be getting the credentials and everything. And like I will be going into Google Cloud, like Google Cloud account, you will be then doing all the activities. And if you want to specifically like you want to be a cloud developer or anything, you should visit Google Cloud. So Google Cloud gives you around $300 free starter trial credits. Like when you okay, don't confuse Google Cloud credits with Google Quick Slap credit. That is totally two different parts. Okay. So like when you will be practicing Quick you will be obviously redirected to Google Cloud only to do the activities. But if you want to see the console, I can show it over. See like this is the basic navigation. Yeah, like to be honest, to use Google Cloud, you need credits. Without that, there won't be allowed. Even I am running this like this on subscription only. I have like one or two like manage subscription accounts like credits. Within that, I am like using it up. Also, if you like, I have a trial without if your college don't provide or something. Then I have a link. You can get $5 like Google Cloud credits. You can do with that. Okay. So like yeah, this was the process and
Shall we begin with the query?
yeah, किसका क्या क्या है आपको
Is anyone having any doubt? You can type the message also, and or you can unmute yourself and ask their query.
yeah, Avinav, yeah, go on. Sure.
Yeah. Hi, Swarnadeep. My question was actually apart from the goodies, like, so what are the practical skills that we would gain so that we can add in a resume and would help us on getting an internship or a job?
Okay, from that perspective, Avinav, first of all, like you're in which year now, as of now?
This is my final year. So
Okay, final year.
actually, I'm graduated. I'll be graduating this end of July. So
Okay. Like you must have studied cloud computing or computer networks as your subject.
yeah, I have studied.
Okay, so like whenever you have studied computer networks, have you must be having studied the concepts of like network subnetting, IP address, and everything.
Yeah, actually, yes.
Yeah. So let's suppose I am giving you a situation. Let's suppose you're using Google Cloud Platform. You have you're running a large scale website. Let's suppose the monthly traffic of the website is about 1 million monthly traffic. Okay, but it varies. Okay, let's suppose dispose this. Let's suppose you are making a backend server for Hotstar. Okay, okay. So on cricket, whenever we are seeing IPL or let's suppose Geo Cinema, the same. It's comes the same. So whenever like the traffic may be varying from 10 lakh to 50 crore. Like during I guess like peak hours, it was around 5 to 6 crores of viewer at a time. So whenever there is 10 lakh viewers, and whenever there is a 5 crore users, I guess the pressure on the server won't be same. It must be varying. And let's suppose Hotstar had deployed 5 crore user servers. Then Hotstar may be suffering losses because they don't need it then. It must be only activated whenever you use 5 crore users. So there are multiple copies of same server that is already stored, and then that concept is known as load balancing. I guess there is also a lab regarding load balancing in
Yeah,
this.
yeah. Just yesterday, I was learning about this load balancing in
Yeah.
TriAcme. So
um,
actually, I'll give you a context, right? So right now, I'm pursuing like cybersecurity. I want to go into cybersecurity, right? So in that context, like, how would this help me? Can you give me some ideas?
okay, in case of cybersecurity, I would be suggesting personally that you moreover lean over VMs and networks and compute labs. That would be better. Like in cybersecurity, you mostly use Kali Linux or anything. And in case of cybersecurity, the concept of network is very much needed, very much. Like
Yeah,
if
true.
you have to deep dive into. Otherwise, if you don't understand how the server works, how would be you cracking it? Let's suppose you are doing an DDoS attack. Okay, just now when I was filling the form, I was redirected to the main form once again. That is Cloudflare DNS protection, so that any DDoS attack don't happens. Whenever
Mhm.
it is Cloudflare DNS protected, whenever a certain number of users that the like the developer specify it goes up, they will be checking bot verification. They will be doing advanced network computation, like how many traffic in the network is coming. So that there are many labs, and like once you have enrolled, do ping me once in the group or in the DM. I will be sharing you particularly labs that are beneficial for like network or virtual machine or computing like that. That would be a
Yeah.
great help to you.
Yeah, actually, yesterday I was watching a video. Then, in that video, they were showing that we could simulate attacks on virtual like clouds, right? So
Yeah.
they have resources, so we can create simulats and create that as a project and add it on a resume. So I think
Yeah. That
that would
that
be
that
better.
is that is actually like that is actually true.
Yeah,
That is actually true. You can use many of the Google Cloud services, maybe it Azure, maybe it because that does not matter. The concept remains the same.
yeah, true. Yeah. Thank you,
Yeah.
So,
Swan.
question.
Any other questions?
Yeah, there is of Radhi. Like clearing the stars. So if you are doing just looking to the Google, YouTube tutorial, just completing the task, it will not give you any job in Google also or in any of the companies. So you need to learn or you need to understand the basic of that lab. And if you want a job from this one, and we will provide the tutorials like how you have to complete the labs and what you have to complete. All we will give in the WhatsApp group.
like the contents, the badges, which are the easier badges that would be like of short length, the arcade games, the trivia, everything we will be sharing it in the group. That is for sure. And if you have any doubt, anything regarding that, just do let us know in the group. We'll be sorting it, sorting it ASAP.
Yeah, one
And you
more,
will get it
one
also.
more thing.
Yeah,
May
Avinash.
I?
Yeah, yes. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah.
yeah. Will the tasks be like on a daily basis, or how will the tasks be? Like, if we get a
Uh,
task, we can complete in our own time, or it will be on
No, no,
daily
no.
basis.
It is totally of your choice. Like I am showing it up. Once you nice. You pointed out a nice thing. So as you can see, there are three parts in total. Like cloud. So Google Arcade games, level one, level two, level three. Okay, they will be available first week. Level one and level two will be available, and in week three, level three will be available, and based on mostly in the week four. Okay, and in case of arcade trivia, week one is released in week one, week two in week two, three in week three, and week four in week four. And let's suppose arcade August week one is valid for week one to week four of August. Two is valid from two to four. Three to four, and four only four to four. So make sure that you complete like once in a week. You just sit in your weekends, or like you don't have college at the time. You can just do the things. And for sure, we'll be using the short tricks and everything. Tutorials will be showing it up. Okay. And trivia, yeah, and the skill badges, there are no limitations of skill badges. You can earn as many as skill badges you want, and that do not have any restriction. uh,
So, how is this trivia different from that other one?
okay, in trivia there are specific sets of like lab or badges. Also one more thing, in some lab or trivia, sorry, in some trivia or a quest, arcade quest. So like also like when you complete a certain labs in the combination, you can also be completing some skill badges. So let's suppose you have done level one, level two, level three. You're doing some of the labs of a particular skill badges, and if the combination matches, and sometime it matches, you will be getting skill badges for free months automatically. Okay, and as you asked, Avina, like how it is different, the structure varies. If you have like particularly seen any arcade review or particular, there are some text, or there are some labs, there are some quests, some quizzes, but in skill badges they're mostly of labs. Okay, and in arcade games or quests there are almost no challenge labs, but in case of skill badges there are particular challenge labs that you have to complete. At that time you have to like if you have to be knowledgeable and like solve the lab. Also we will be like sharing the tutorials and everything so that you can learn. And if you have doubt of any concept, we'll be sharing it up for sure also. Any other questions?
The lab, like it's very much hectic or something. If you want only goodies, then we will share the solution of 1 to 2 minutes, and you can solve it in 1 to 2 minutes. That lab.
Okay, Riddhi, to answer your question, tutorials can be deep enough, but you have to learn in depth also. If you see the tutorial once and you complete the labs and you think that you can like do it once again, it is almost next to impossible. You have to repeat it once, like twice or thrice, do the things up, then you could understand that yeah, this is the concept and I can do it independently. And certification, in case of certifications, like last year, Google offered certifications to few of the students. Okay, so if you have in the random and you are lucky, you may be getting like Google Cloud Leader or anything certification for free. And also, should I learn cloud or AWS? Uh, AWS is a cloud, so there is no point of comparing cloud or AWS. Then you should be writing Google Cloud or AWS. Yeah, and Anubhav, that's a good point. If you get a good job, you can earn that goodies in just day or two. Yeah, but also like when you complete these badges and everything, you will be getting good amount of goodies. Like if you have participated this year in arcade or you have or any friend, they are getting like premium goodies. Like let's suppose you have done this, you have reached this milestone. Let's suppose you have reached this milestone 60. You can see 60 point, but you have done more skill badges and arcade or trivia. So you will be reaching 70. You will be getting all these champion milestone goodies. That is for free to you. Okay. So yeah.
And the Google goodies are the like premium one, and it is good also. Like not in the case of Gen AI, but Google Cloud goodies are good one.
So yeah. Any other?
Swandeep, answer the question of Ayush.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. I was just okay. Okay. I was just DM me in my personal. I will be sharing out the links for this. This all are cracked. You don't be tensed. I am not that rich that I will be buying all this Premiere Pro and After Effects. It is all free. Just DM me. I will be giving you the links. No issue. Yeah. Okay. Vishal, DevOps. Yeah, there are few labs related to DevOps. I will be sharing that too. I will be all categorizing it up and showing it like these are for the DevOps, and the main purpose of the like arcade is not only to like get goodies or something like that. It also serves as a particular interface. Like if you want to do it manually, you won't be able to, or like it would be costing to you a lot. But if you do with the Google monthly subscription, you have unlimited credits and you have your full potential. It won't be asking for anything. You can do anything you want. Okay, in that 2 months, especially. So yeah, DevOps is possible, like CI/CD pipelines or anything that is possible. At least you can learn. At least you can learn through the labs. A little experimentation you can also do even.
Can you take the question of Yash?
Yeah, sir, how should we complete the game? Is it after PWL or what? I'm not clear about. Okay, yes, yes. Mm. The games and the driver and the quest are like released in on week basis. Okay, so whenever a new badges releases, we'll be giving you the access code and the badge link. Also the tutorial with it. Okay, at that time you can complete it. Not that everything is released in a while, but it is like it is releasedness, like what to say, like in a good manner, like organized manner, so that once one is completed after that okay, okay, Vidya, I will be sharing in the LinkedIn.
Till then, I will take the question of Sai Sunita.
Yeah, yeah,
Like
yeah.
as you have said, how we become an arcade facilitator. So arcade facilitator form are released. So you need to fill the form, and then after your you will get the mail that you have become arcade facilitator or not, and it depends how they categorized you. Yeah, that's it. And yeah, facilitator also gets the swags. Uh, Also, the Nidhi's question is also answered, right?
This question is answered, right? Anyone any having any other question related to cloud or anything? not that any Google Cloud or something. You can ask of any another tech query also. No issue on that. No issue. Okay.
So, you take.
Okay. So is facilitator the same being into GDSC workforce? Okay, like in what context you are asking to like the question matters. So like you can mention it in the chat box. So it is better to open your microphone, like open your microphone and ask the question. It's better. Like in what context you are asking that?
Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, audible, audible.
Yeah, so every college has its workforce, right? So now I'm in second year, so I want to be a part of GDSC workforce. So being a facilitator means I'm into the workforce, or do I have to apply it?
No, okay. That's okay. Savitri, like
Sorry to interrupt you. Can I take this question as she's from my college only, so I know the
okay,
whole
okay,
system and all.
okay, okay,
So
okay, sure.
Satvika, it's not like same. So being in workforce, like you are as a member of the GDSC team. You are not similar to facilitator. Facilitator are somewhat. It is a program that Google has provided. So it is not same one. And in our college, workforce is somewhat like member. So I hope it's clear.
Okay, to add into it, okay. To be honest, GDSC is completely different from your arcade facilitators program. It does not have any direct relationship. Okay, but let's suppose every year GDSC leads are selected. This year on second or first week of August, your GDSC lead will be selected. After that, they receive instructions to elect the core team, and that totally depends upon your college and college GDSC lead. So let's suppose, like in last year, GDSC of my GDSC did like when he was selected, he took out form, done on the process, everyone applied. Like after that, I was shortlisted and I gave interview to my other like core panel of GDSC, like the seniors who have been leading into GDSC or local GDG. They will be taking your interview and selecting you out. Okay, so yeah, but let's suppose you have done Arcade Facilitators program and you have shown that I have participated in Google Cloud Arcade Facilitators program. I have done this and that. So that would earn an extra point when you are being giving interview. That does not mean you are selected, but it's an extra point that yeah, you have done something. That would be extra. Yeah. Riddhi, I work in G Cloud or not? Yeah, I work in G Cloud. Like I
So
have
in
recently,
question of
recently, recently there was a event known as Google Code what to say Sadhvana. So I was recently my project idea was related to that. Also, like I got Google Cloud credits and on that. Yeah, I work on G Cloud.
take the question of unknown.
Okay,
What type of
what question there will be in the games? So, okay, mostly there are like, let's suppose you have completed a lab, they will be asking question related to lab sometimes, that what you have done this or what would be most appropriate to do this. Let's suppose they have given a network conditions and ask some little small question related to networks. Like it is almost mostly related to like the labs you have done or the quest you have done. Vishal, is there an in-depth computing resource for free rather than certification? Okay, Vishal, if I want to, I don't know whether you know or not, like when you apply for a cloud certification, maybe it Azure or Google Cloud certification or AWS Foundation courses, They just give you the opportunity to like they only charge, not only opportunity, they only charge for the exam what you do. They don't charge for the training. It is available in the free. Like if you go in the Coursera and you can see it for free. Okay. Uh, Also in case like AWS, you will be getting the course for free. Azure, you just type AZ 900 Azure Fundamentals course. They are providing it for free. Certification is just to show that you have done it. Certification or nothing else does that. Your learning and practice has no relation with certification. The person may be having a certification but maybe not that knowledgeable, but a person may be having more knowledge than a certified person. Riddhi, to answer your
Uh,
Riddhi, to answer your question, uh, Google is hiring in 2020, 2025. Okay, okay. Have been sharing the application with.
yes, can you elaborate your question? Like what you are trying to say?
मैम हमने जो रजिस्टर किया है वो गूगल अकाउंट सक्सेसफुली रजिस्टर हुआ है कि नहीं वो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है।
तुमको कोई मेल आया, कंफर्मेशन मेल आया कुछ?
नो सर।
Okay, didn't just you receive a confirmation like this? तुमको ऐसा कोई कंफर्मेशन नहीं मिला कि तुम्हारा यूजर एनरोलमेंट फॉर्म भर गया है? ऐसा कोई कंफर्मेशन मिला? एक बार मेल चेक करो।
Just check the spam. It
Also,
can come
also,
on spam.
also just check the spam, and if it haven't or hasn't arrived, just fill it up it once again. No, no issue, no issue. That won't be a problem. If you fill up twice, it won't be a problem. Okay, I guess the quiz is like the event is over. Thank you very much for joining and being for a long time in the meet. It was great talking and insightful session over you. Okay, yeah, as we have promised, we'll be giving an LinkedIn voucher giveaway. So after this meet, we will be announcing the name in our group. Okay, just that person just DM it, contact either me or Prerna in the group person in the message person area. We will be giving you the links. Yeah, thank you very much, guys, for joining. It was great meeting you. And if you have any doubt related to anything, just okay. The voucher is about LinkedIn 6 months LinkedIn premium voucher. Okay. And if you have any doubt related to Google Cloud, like if you have anything, yeah, Riddhi, you can leave. Yeah, you can leave. No issue. You can reach out in the group if you have any doubt or anything. Just reach out in the group. We will be loving to help. Sure. Thank you. कौन बोला? যাচ্ছি।